What's up, everyone? Loren and Chris here with the second installment of Lighthouse.
In this episode, we'll be focusing on shade, exploring all the different variations it comes in and how best to utilize it during your sessions.
Without further ado, let's jump in. Open shade is one of the most common forms of natural light that photographers utilize for portraiture. Its soft and even appearance yields wonderful results and can be found almost anywhere there's a large object casting a shadow. It can also be found virtually any time of day as long as the sun is shining. Here's how we utilize it.
Place you and your subject in a shaded area where the sky is visible above. From here, you'll need to position your subject in relation to the light. Think of the ambient light from the world around you as your source. Reflections, bounce sunlight can all be used for this.
Keep in mind that since you are only using bounce light as your source, skin tones can be affected by whatever colors are nearby. And one last tip, peeking the sun in open shade can also be utilized by placing your subject on the edge of the shadow for a more dramatic, dynamic look.
Covered shade, just as it sounds, is shade with coverage overhead. This constricts the light into a smaller area, creating a more focused, dramatic lighting similar to a studio setting. We love using this type of shade for side-lit portraiture as it brings much more shape to our subject.
Always be on the lookout for pockets of light in shaded areas as they can give you one-of-a-kind results. Try to use the light to highlight your subject's features by directing them or turning them towards it. These pockets create a lot of artistic opportunities, so don't be afraid to experiment. Learning how to utilize shade is one of the most important skills as a natural light photographer. We don't always get to choose our location or time of day, so being adaptable is key for consistency. Keep practicing, keep creating, and don't shy away from the shadows.
Thank you for tuning in, everyone. Here are some awesome examples of shade from our Archipelago family to inspire you.
This is Loren and Chris signing off. See you in the next one.